Student, today we will discuss the chapter Delhi in this video. Delhi along with the New Delhi form the national capital territory of Delhi. Delhi is a political center being the capital city. Delhi is an important commercial, transport and culture hub of the country. The influence of Mughal, Qutub and Lodi dynasty is seen in its monuments. The numerous monuments are testimony to its rich and glorious history. Architectural marvels belonging to the medieval period of Indian history. Delhi is a tourist delight with the ancient monuments and architectural marvels. Ancient monuments belong to various ancient Indian dynasties. The Red Fort was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in 17th century. Qutub Minar is the tallest brick minar in the world, made up of the red brick and sandstone. It's existable example of Indo-Islamic architectures of 12th to 13th century AD. The iron pillar was built in the memory of King Chandragupta II, also known as the King Vikramaditya in 4th century. It has a Sanskrit inscriptions on it. The iron pillar is rust-free even today, thus exemplifying the India's expertise in the field of metallurgy 2000 years ago. It's known for the Mughal architectural design. Humayun tomb was built by the Persian architecture Miraq Mirza. Jama Masjid is the biggest mosque in the Asia built by the Emperor Shah Jahan. It's known for the Mughal architectural design. Edwin Lutyens, a British architect, was commissioned between 1920 and 1930 to build many monuments in Delhi. As a tribute to this architecture, an area in the New Delhi is also referred to as a Lutyens Delhi, one of the most beautiful and well-maintained garden of India. The House of Parliament or Sansad Bhavan is located in New Delhi. India Gate is located on the Rajpath, the royal path that leads to the President residence. An internal flame called the Amar Jawan Jyoti burns in the memory of all the martyrs who laid down their lives for the motherland. The Akshardham temple is the massive temple complex in Delhi, and the Akshardham temple is dotted with 20,000 statue floral motifs, arches as well as exhaustively carved pillars. Some famous personality from Delhi is Kiran Bedi. She is the first woman IPS officer. The famous actor Shah Rukh Khan is also from Delhi. A very popular cricketer player, that is Virendra Sehwag, cricketer, and he is also awarded Padma Shri. Chetan Bhagat, one of the most popular writer novelist of our country, and the Captain Anuj Nair. He was the hero of Kargil war, and he is also awarded the Mahavir Chakra. Thank you, student. I hope all of you understand this chapter very well through this video. Thank you and have a nice